Hi, this is Scott, and welcome to your virtual video walk around. Good looking truck. You picked a great one. 2017 Ford F150. Stock number on this truck is 7183. Let's show you the virtual video walk around. This truck has had a 150-point vehicle inspection. This is the 2.7 liter V6 with the EcoBoost system. XTR package, of course, as you can see right there. It's got the tonneau covering, tow package, warranty protection for life and oil changes for life at no cost to you. That's what you're going to get here at Sunset Ford. Let's take a look at the interior. Making our way around. No rips, no tears, no stains. Absolutely flawless interior. Tons of ample legroom in the rear. Easy access to all the controls, power windows, locks, cruise, tilt, fully loaded truck. For information on this vehicle or any of our other trucks in the inventory, call, email, or text us. We hope you can come on down. We'd love to meet you, and hopefully we can earn your business. We hope you've enjoyed your virtual video walk around. Scott Tanner saying make it a great day. Take care.